Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your PC and Android share the same network, or enable USB tethering for a wired link. Install the controller app on your phone and the companion server on the PC. This pairing lets the phone send input like a physical controller. Once installed, open the PC server and note any IP or PIN it displays, then launch the phone app so it can discover the PC. This immediate pairing avoids delays later. After discovery, connect your phone to the PC server using the shown IP or PIN. Once connected, you'll map touch zones to keyboard keys, mouse movements, or X input buttons so games read your input correctly. Use preset templates for racing, FPS, or arcade, then fine-tune sensitivity and dead zones to match your playstyle. Test mapping immediately in a controller tester or in the Target Games menu to confirm button responses and joystick behavior. Make iterative adjustments. To finish, lock your phone's orientation, disable sleep, and enable haptic feedback for clearer input cues. Then save the profile so you don't remap each session. If you notice lag or dropouts, switch to USB tethering and enable the server's USB mode for lower latency, or restart the PC server and reconnect the app. If things still fail, make sure your firewall isn't blocking the server, run it as administrator, and verify both devices are on the same subnet. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.